Last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, me mind intent on rambling to island I did fly. I stepped aboard a vision and followed with a will till next I came to anchor at the cross near Spancil Hill, enchanted by the novelty, delighted with the sea, where in my early boyhood I oftentimes had been. I thought I heard a murmur, I think I hear it still. 'Tis the little stream of water at the cross of Spancil Hill. It being the 23rd of June, the day before the fair. Sure Aaron's sons and daughters, they all assembled there. The young, the old, the stout, the bold, came there for sport and kill. What a curious combination at the fair of Spancil Hill. I paid a flying visit to my first and only love. She's pure as any lily and as gentle as a dove. She threw her arms around me, saying, Mike, I love you still. She's back, the ranger's daughter, the bride of Spancil Hill. I thought I'd stop and kiss her as I did the days of yore. Says Mike, you're only joking, as often were before. The cock flew on the roost again, he crew both